In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to embed video in a block editor. Embedding video in the WordPress Block Editor or Gutenberg can be a great way to enhance your content and provide a more engaging and multimedia-rich experience for your readers. To do so, simply log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Hover over Posts and click on Add New. Now, let's give this post a title over here. To embed a video over here, simply go to the video and copy the URL. For example, I want to embed this YouTube video. So let's copy the URL from here. Now we'll paste it over here like this, and you can see the video has been embedded here. Let's preview the changes from the front end. You can see the video here. This is how easy it is to embed video in a block editor. Now, in case you also want to learn how to embed Facebook video in WordPress, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.